A lot of people have asked me how to make these muffins, so here we go. Set the oven at 400. And then the wet mixture is 1 egg, in this case 1 banana. Sometimes I do 1 cup of that applesauce, unsweetened applesauce. So it's 75 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 egg, 1 banana, all mixed up. Then 145 grams of this self-rising flour. Then I do 90 grams of this sweetener. I don't think there's 90 grams in here, but I'll do as much as I have, but normally 90 grams of this. There was literally 91 grams left. So then this is like the Walmart PB2. 2 tablespoons is 12 grams. So I'll do 12, reset that to 0 again. Oops. Reset that to 0. So I had 1 scoop of this vanilla protein powder for 1 point, but if you don't have vanilla protein powder, you could just add some, like a teaspoon of vanilla extract to that. Some baking powder. I'm not sure how much of this I put in. I usually eyeball it. About a tablespoon, but we're gonna put a little more than that. So 5 grams. Put 5 grams of baking soda. So you mix all those dry ingredients together, then you add the wet, then you mix that all together. So see how that's a little bit dry? Sometimes it's like that, sometimes it's not. The PB powder is probably what got it like that. I add a little splash of cashew milk, and I'll show you the consistency I like to get. So see that consistency? Still thick. Needs to be thick like that, but still, you know. I don't know how to explain that, but that's how it should be. Then I take a big ass measuring cup, put that quart-sized bag, well, it's a gallon-sized bag in there, and then put that in there because I'm going to use that to pipe it into the muffin tin. This sugar-free blackberry Smucker's jam is 8 tablespoons for 2 points. So I'll probably use about 6. I'll put a tablespoon in the middle of each one of those. All right, so this recipe makes 6 big bakery-sized muffins. Those are the toppings, so some sugar, some peanuts, and then that's the jelly. That's the peanut butter batter. All right, so I filled them halfway, then I put the jelly in, and now I'm gonna do the other half of the filling. This is gonna actually make more than 6, so you probably wanna use a 12 muffin pan, and then it'll probably make like 8 or 9 actually. Nope, I take that back, just 6. You wanna fill them up pretty much to the top. Like very top. I had extra jelly, so I also put some on the top. All right, those are ready to go in the oven now. See how the batter's thick, so it's not spreading everywhere, and that's what you want. Those will go in the oven. I'm gonna try 15 minutes, and then they may need a little longer. Sometimes I'll turn off the oven and then just leave them in there a couple more minutes. We'll see after about 15 minutes. Look at those, huh? So 4 points each. They're big ass muffins. Those corners got a little crisp. I'm not sure if that's because some of the jelly seeped out and it got burnt. I need to let those sit though for about 10-15 minutes before you dig one out. And that's it. If you know me, you know how impatient I am. So it wasn't 10 minutes, but they look good. I mean, this one burned on the side. I don't know why the bottom's not burnt. The only one that the jelly seeped out of was that burnt looking one, but I think I'm gonna put some PB2, you'll see, you know, just to give it that little extra peanut buttery taste. That's just 1 tablespoon of PB2 watered down, and that's it. This is the one that busted out the, look at that, it's still good. Bomb.